Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 11 Pro. The first thing you have to do, you have to remove the two screws at the back here. Okay. Then you need to open it. Use the pencil. Just make sure you put it down a bit before you sit up. Okay. Try to remove all the clip. Be careful. Just do it slowly like this. When you get to this side, you don't need to push the pencil that much inside because the connectors are here, this area. Just put it halfway. Okay, you slide it down a bit and open it. Now you need to take out those screws all here. Make sure you take out all the screws here to disconnect the LCD. This one's iPhone 11 Pro. The screws for the screen cover here, they're all the same. You can put them all the same place, no problem, because they're all the same screw. No difference with in the screw, they are the same screws. You can put it all the same place, no problem. You take out the pan. Okay, put it one side. Then you disconnect the battery. Open the battery on also. Okay, take out the pan. Okay, then you disconnect the battery terminal. Be careful, don't push it that much inside. Just disconnect the battery terminal like this. Okay, then you take out the LCD cable. Don't push the pencil that much inside so you don't spoil any components inside. Just put it a bit inside the USB connector up. Take out the LCD. Okay, now you need to remove the speaker and the sensor and transfer to the new one here. Okay, so you remove the screws here. There's 3 screws you need to remove. 1, 2, 3. These screws at the top here, they're not the same, so you don't need to put them all the same place. You put them separately. Put one here. And put another one here. And this is the smallest one here. You open it. You put it here. Don't put it the same because they're not the same screw. Okay, then you take out the sensor. Be careful, just open it like this. Okay, you remove the speaker. Now you need to fix it on the new one. Okay, remove the warranty sticker. Okay, now you fix the speaker. Make sure you fix it properly for the sensor. Okay, then replace the screws back. Make sure you replace all the screws where you take it, because the screws are not the same, so you have to put them all how you take them. Okay, now you need to fix the connector on the motherboard. Make sure the battery is disconnected. Okay, you connect the screen, and make sure when you fix the screen, make sure you get the right position before you press it down. Don't press it down if you don't get the right position, so you don't spoil the screen connector down. Okay, because sometimes some people they will spoil their phones by that. You just put it and just press. No, you make sure you get the right position before you press it down. Okay, now you need to fix back the cover. Then make sure you replace all the screw. After I put all the screw for the screen cover here, the cover, you connect the battery now. Make sure you connect the battery, and don't forget you put the cover back on top. You close this one also. There's 2 screws you need to put inside. Make sure you put all the 2 screws. So after you put all the screws, okay, now you need to close the phone. You make sure you start from the top here. Just make sure you push the top inside a bit. Make sure the top is fixed properly before you fix the downside. Okay, then you fix the middle side. You fix everything. Okay. Then now you can replace back the screw you take out from the back here. Just 2 screws, replace them back again. Now you can on the phone and test before you remove the plastic. Okay, now the phone is on. Now it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.